Greetings and welcome to the Chemistry 223 Titration of Weak Acids lab. I'd like to give you a quick overview of what we're going to do in this lab. It's kind of an extension of the acids and base lab that we did earlier. So you'll see that this has a lot of similar techniques. It's a little bit more analytical, but hopefully it won't be anything too crazy for you. So in this lab, we're going to use the same system that we used in the acid and base titration lab. And you can see in the lower left-hand corner, hopefully that's looking a little bit familiar to you. The difference between this lab and the last lab, though, is we're going to focus on one particular weak acid. And your goal in this lab is to find things for the weak acid. For example, the acid dissociation constant Ka, the concentration of the acid, the molar mass, lots of kind of things. We'll use the analytical balances and the Burette's full capabilities, so make sure that you watch sig figs in this lab. That'll be pretty important. The process is going to be the same, so I would bring along the instructions from the acid and base titration lab. That'll help you get all the equipment set up, and so you'll know what to do. And like in the other lab, once you get everything set up, things go pretty fast. The difference, once again, is that you'll use fancier balances and a little bit more stringent techniques to figure out the exact values for your weak acid. But overall, it's kind of fun. You can analyze the graphs from the experiments, complete the worksheets, and again, if you've done a good job on the last lab, this one hopefully won't take you too long either. Okay, so at this time, let's watch a video. You can see what the lab will be like, kind of help you get ready for it. If you have questions on anything, please reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help. You can also talk to the Learning Success Center / Avid Center. They will help out as well. All right, good luck with the lab.